Hey there, welcome to Soundtrap for Education's Enhanced FAQ series. My name's Taylor, I'm an education specialist, and I'm going to walk you through the collaboration FAQ. So we're looking at the difference between doing assignments and inviting. So there's basically two ways for you to collaborate with your students. The first is with an assignment, and this is best for one-on-one collaboration because it creates a copy of a project for each student. And it puts you as the teacher, as a collaborator, on that copy for every student. The second way to collaborate is with an invite. This is best for group collaboration, and each member needs to be invited manually. So let's look at what these look like. So to create an assignment, you need to create a project first. It can even be blank, but you have to make a new project. And then you can come back out to your My Projects page, look at the first screenshot, click that button, and then click Create Assignment, and that will create an assignment for you. You'll then be able to share that assignment between one of three different ways, and then a new folder will be created where you can see each student has their own copy, and you are a collaborator. Okay, so the second way to collaborate is with an invite. You can either invite from your profile page or from inside the studio. So the left picture shows you where you would click to invite from the profile, and the right side shows you where to invite when you're inside the studio. Once you do that, whoever you invite is going to get an invite on their My Projects page that looks just like this, and they can click Accept, and then they're a collaborator on that project. And that's it for this enhanced FAQ.